Hi, my name is Alejandro Solorio and I'm here to show you how to install a temperature sensor inside of a refrigerator. What you'll need is your temperature sensor, 2 zip ties, some wire cutters, and our app. We're going to begin here because we're going to scan our sensor in first. In the app, go ahead and go to Add Device. Camera's going to load. We're going to scan our sensor. Excellent. Then we're going to turn this guy on. So we're going to hold the gray circle for 5 seconds until the light disappears, and then we're going to wait for a solid green light. Now if we see a red light first, it means it's locating signal. When we see the green light, it means it's connected and online. Now I'm going to take my zip tie, insert it through my loop, get it prepared, and then I'm either going to place it on the bottom of the top rack or the top of the lower rack. And depending on how much content there is on the bottom rack, you can easily put it on the top of the bottom rack or just put it on the top of the lower rack if it's pretty busy down here. I'm gonna put it on the top. Once I get one secured, quickly take the second one, insert it through the loop, bring it back up, take your wire cutters, cut off any excess zip tie, and we're ready to begin remote monitoring. We'll be alerted if it's out of range, and we'll address it if there's an issue. Thank you, have a great day.